and meet the chief Druid, Sean O'Brien from the New York City Valley. Now the Druid knows that those fairy thieves are going to do something fishy. So he's going to try and defend the children from being stolen. By the way, the Druid loves to have music. Have we got some musicians here that could accompany the musicians? Excellent.
In dark November, when two worlds near each other, the Druid sits among musicians and gazes through stone. Berries drip into bowls, pale goblets translucent with amber drops.
These arms, now bony, thin, were never a wielder of weapons, nor for them to caress, enjoy the limbs of queens. Those foolish old lovers and boring old warriors, proclaiming with their boast, I was a cutter down of men, a smiter of shields. Ah! Whereas I, a single druid, with an art that could heal a candle whose flame is a jewel, hear and speak the words of the winds, gossip with the birds, know the fear of the shy and gentle, and see the in while gazing at the out. Ah! As hair grows scant and gray, and the hopeless sadness of death looms